Go, nature! I'm a zoologist. I study animals. I found an animal. Follow me. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to call this bird. Now, it's risky, but let's see. It might attack me. He doesn't want to talk. I understand. He's a little shy. Now, this bird is dead. I mean, I guess it is hard to believe that it was actually alive, but this bird is called a house wren. And it's kind of dead. And the way it got its name is that it built a house, and they didn't like it, so they renovated it. Now, another fun fact is this bird is actually a descendant of the bald eagle. It's pretty hard to believe. I found another find. I found wildebeests. These aren't just any normal wildebeests. They're 100% wild. You can see them. They're very nature-like. Something about these animals is that they will eat people if you get too close. So I'm going to get about the area where you think it's too close, and they're going to try and eat the big ones. The small ones just come in for a snack later. But see, there goes the small ones. They just want the snacks. Hey, I want to talk to you. Don't worry, it's completely normal. They think they'll get me when I'm not paying attention, and then they'll pounce. Here's the bull. You tell it's a bull by its balls. Come and get a look. Come and get a look. It's very rare to find a bull in this area. That is not the bull. Follow me. See him. He's gonna run. That's not him.
I can see his balls.
Yeah, where's his balls?
Unless that's an udder.
Yes. They use those balls for reproductive reasons. But I won't get into that for detail. Oh wow, what a find! This here is poop. Now, the interesting fact about poop is that all animals drop it. And the reason why they drop it is so they can tell us, like, notes, like, what they've been doing and what they've been eating. This here's milkweed. Now, the way it got its name is because they're the wildebeest babies. They have their mother die, and they'd have nothing to eat. So they stumble across this. Now, it's milk that comes out of a plant. It's got all the same nutrients as it, but in a plant. So they'd eat this, and they grow big and strong. Yeah. He's making his dinner. This here is a great find. Now, this here is a garden spider. Now, he is very picky about the way his garden is. You could tell that was his dinner right there, and he rolled it up beautifully. They have to have it preserved, otherwise it'll rank and it'll burn the web down. Is it going?
Yes. Going now.
This is risky, but
We are going.
it's risky. But we're gonna try and get this bird. Mom, we're filming! Wow, we're fine! Check this out. This here, now this here's the poop. This here is milkweed. Now, fun fact about this plant is, see, the wildebeest, you see, now, they have mommies and daddies, and sometimes the parents die. Well, let's cut this. Oh, wow, we're fine! This here is poop. Now, the interesting fact about poop is that all animals drop it. And the reason why they drop it is so they can tell us, like, notes, like, what they've been doing and what they've been eating. Now, take a look at it. What we can gather about this one is that he's been eating lots of other animals. Because
We'll just cut it there. We'll cut it there.